And unmute yourself, teachers. Otherwise, they won't be able to hear anything. Ready?
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Hardi Mistry and I am going to speak on Ganesh Chaturthi. Ganesh Chaturthi is celebrated annually to mark the birth of Lord Ganesha, the god of new beginnings. Lord Ganesha is considered to be the symbol of wisdom, writing, travel, commerce, and good fortune. He is also addressed as Gajanan or Ganesha. The excitement for this 10-day-long festival begins weeks before Ganesh Chaturthi, with several people making clay idols of Lord Ganesha and painting them. There is a ritual of offering durva, modak, jaggery, coconut, red flowers, red sandalwood and camphor while worshipping. On the 10th day, Lord Ganesha's statue is immersed in water known as Ganpati Visarjan. Devotees chant Ganpati Bappa Moria, paying respect to him as he is seen of taking all our worries away and leaving blessings behind. Bal Gangadhar Tilak started public Ganesh Chaturthi celebrations in 1893 to fight the British. Lord Ganesha is a popular deity worshipped across India. So let's have a look at a wonderful skit prepared by our teachers. Thank you.
Hello. One day, both Ganesha and Kartikeya were roaming around in the forest. Ganesha had a younger brother, Kartikeya. Ganesha had a younger brother, Kartikeya. Both would get
along well. But just like all other siblings, they would have moments of arguments and fights. One day, both Ganesha and Kartikeya were roaming around in the forest.
Look at that fruit. It seems unique. Yes, I have never seen such a fruit before. Let's get that fruit.
Both of them ran towards the tree and grabbed the fruit at the same time.
This fruit belongs to me. I saw it first. No, it belongs to me. I touched it first.
Both of them started arguing over the fruit. They refused to share it with each other and started claiming the fruit for themselves. Finally, they decided to ask their parents, so both of them went home. When they reached Mount Kailash, they showed the fruit to Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati.
Mother, it is my fruit. I saw it first. No, it is mine. I touched it first.
This fruit is known to grant immortality and extensive knowledge when eaten by the rightful bearer of it.
I think we should divide the fruit in two parts and give it to both of them.
No, one has to eat the whole fruit to acquire its power.
I am the elder brother, so I should get the fruit. I am the younger brother, so I should get the fruit.
Lord, now you decide who should get this fruit.
I think we should call Narad Muni. He will definitely find a solution.
Lord Shiva called Narad Muni.
Narayan, Narayan, Ram, why did you call me?
Goddess Parvati explained the situation to Narad Muni.
Narayan, Narayan, to choose who gets it, I propose a challenge. Okay. Both of you have to go around the universe 3 times. Whoever will do so and return to Mount Kailash first will win, and he will be the rightful owner of the fruit.
I think that is a good idea.
Both Ganesha and Kartikeya accepted the challenge. Kartikeya immediately hopped onto his vehicle Peacock and flew in full speed to complete 3 revolutions around the universe. But Ganesha stood still over there and was thinking,
Father, I have completed 3 rounds around the universe. Now can I get the fruit?
You took 3 rounds around Earth. How can you say that you have completed 3 rounds around the universe? You have not even left Kailash.
It is not necessary for me to leave Kailash and travel around the universe. It is written in Vedas and Puran that the universe is within the 2 of you. So by circling the 2 of you, I have circled the whole universe. So I have won the challenge.
since what Ganesha had said was correct, Shiva and Parvati accepted Ganesha as the winner. At the same moment, Kartikeya arrived on his peacock.
Father,
he believed that he himself was rightful winner. He was unhappy and left Kailash to stay in Palani Hills.
My son Ganesha, you are the winner. You can have this flute.
Shiva, Parvati and Narad Muni were touched and impressed by Ganesha's wisdom. Shiva and Parvati blessed Ganesha. Ganesha happily ate the fruit.